How's it going, everyone? Fast Food Toy Reviews here. Today we have Ghostbusters, set of 5 wacky packs released by Sonic back in 2022. Let's get them opened up and have a closer look. The first one up is the PKE Meter Spoon. Yes, any Ghostbuster fans out there, do you know what PKE means? A reference to the Ghostbusters? Come on, let me know. Maybe you don't, maybe you do. Look it up. Learn some knowledge about the Ghostbusters. It's fun. I love the Ghostbusters. So it's a PKE Meter Spoon. And one of the cool things about it, it has this 3D lenticular little card sticker thing. I think it is a sticker. No, it's a little card in there. And you just move it back and forth, and you got the Stay Puffed Marshmallow Man. So he's looking all friendly and nice. And, yeah, I don't know. And the gimmick is this little lever right here. You use your thumb, or you can use your finger, or your thumb and your finger, or both. And it just spreads these things out there like little antennae, and they just go around and detect ghosts and, you know, all that good stuff. This is great. Oh, the nostalgia is kicking in right now. I'm losing my mind. And it's a spoon. Yes, spoon. Why is that one of the funniest words ever? Say spoon like 3 times in a row. Just say it. Just do it. Spoon, spoon, spoon. You know you just did it. And it's hilarious. And that's it. So there is the PKE Meter Spoon. The next one up is the Proton Blaster Spoon. This one's really cool. Let's have an up-close look at that. So if this was real, would you really want to eat off that? Look at that. What's on the back there? Oh, that's the Ghostbusters logo. Check that out. And so right here, it looks like it's all kind of like electronic mechanical bits. Like, that's so cool. Oh, man, I'm definitely displaying this set. I'm a huge Ghostbusters fan. So it's a Proton Blaster that comes with this little clear plastic globular proton gloop missile thing. You lock it into place, and then underneath here, you have a little trigger. You give that a squeeze, and it launches it. Listen to this. It's a squeaky launcher. This is great. So it's got like a built-in sound effect, and it probably doesn't even mean to do that. Look at it, one more time. Put it into place, spring loaded in there, pull that little trigger, booyah, and that's it. So there you go. It's the Proton Blaster Spoon. The next one's really cool. Look at this thing. It's the Slurping Slimer Spoon. Look at this mug on this guy, those big teeth. This is cracking me up. So on the back here, you got a little handle, and you push that in. You can see where there's little tabs and notches, and it kind of locks into place. Watch this. We're coming right at you. Ah, that's great. This thing is cracking me up. Look at that. Bruh. I don't even know what to make of it. What is happening right now? I am not editing this. This is great because this, oh my goodness, this is the greatest toy ever. I don't know why, but you push it and it locks it into place. Now you grab him by the head and that's your handle. And you can scoop your cereal or pudding or whatever it is you want to eat with your spoon. And it's kind of clear too. Oh my goodness, I'm losing my mind right now. Okay, so that's what it is, like a giant tongue. That's so silly. You know you love this thing. That's it, so there you go. Oh my goodness, it's a Slurping Slimer Spoon. The next one up is the glow-in-the-dark Slimer Spoon. So yes, it's a plastic spoon, kind of clear. It's got that translucent vibe, makes it really cool to look at. And it glows in the dark, and you can kind of make Slimer out right there. This is neat. So it's just like a molded spoon, but it looks really awesome. Let's see if we can see it glow in the dark. Well, would you look at that? I held it under some light for about 30 seconds. Can you see anything? It doesn't glow. Just barely glows. Oh man, it's a bummer. Still looks cool though. So unfortunately, it just doesn't have enough glow juice in it. I don't know. I held it under some bright lights for a solid 30, 40 seconds, and that should have been long enough, and it doesn't glow, just barely glow. But that's okay. I don't mind because it looks awesome anyway. I dig it. There you go. It's the glow-in-the-dark kinda Slimer Spoon. And the last one in the set is the Stay Puffed, not Puff, Puffed, P-U-F-T. There's always a big argument about that with people who are fans of Ghostbusters, but it literally reads right on there, puffed. So it's a straw buddy. That's right. Look at this cutie. Oh man, it's a little baby. Stay puffed marshmallow dude. That's cool. And he goes on a straw, but you know what? Because I'm too lazy to go get a straw, we're going to use a screwdriver. And look at that. So pretend the screwdriver is a straw. And then he just hangs out while you're sipping your favorite beverage from your straw. You can't obviously sip from a screwdriver. I mean, you could try, but I don't think you're going to get very far. There you go. It's the Stay Puffed Straw Buddy. And there you have it, everyone. Ghostbusters, set of 5 Sonic Wacky Pack collectible toys released back in 2022. Now, I absolutely love this set. If you're a Ghostbusters fan like I am, you want this set in your collection. I 100% will absolutely be displaying this. And my favorite one's got to be that Slimer. Oh, my goodness. It brought out my inner child. I can't stop looking at it. I just want to look at it some more. It's just so silly. I love it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. We'll see you again next time.